This is the jacuzzi 6 something Primo. The model number is 8484925J. There's some more stuff there too. Well, it just so happens shower head quit working. If you look into this, there's 2 of these. The goddamn restrictors. And you gotta dig them out. That's part of the reason why the shower head quit working. So the first one, I just hammered a screwdriver in there, pulled it out. Then you see one up underneath it. Hammer it out too. Same thing. Then once you get that, you're gonna have some little pieces that are stuck inside it. Like that there. You just take it, turn it, and shake it like so until all the pieces are gone. And you should be able to push air through it like that without it vibrating. If you do that, then you got the restrictor. I ended up taking this damn thing apart. Because it quit working. So, I'm pretty sure I got all the restrictors out now. Then you put it back together. If it still doesn't work, because it's got a lifetime warranty on it, it's serviced by a company called Waxman. The phone number will be in the description of how to contact those ass clowns to get another one if you don't want to go through all this. But if this works, then I get 2 of them. If it don't, then I'm just getting the one they're sending. So it was at least worth tearing up now. I know that I can get one. So if I fuck it up trying to fix it, then no big deal. Thanks for stopping by. The way, look inside the goddamn thing. There's a fucking other one there. You see it? You gotta bust it too. It's a water restrictor, but it restricts everything, pressure and all. It's got a little check valve or something on there, so if the water's off, it won't backflow. So now I'm gonna put it back together and see what happens. Make sure you get all of that out, because that's what that is. If you don't get it all out, it's gonna end up in the rain shower head, and you can be fucked up there because you ain't getting it out. So now everything should be good, so let's try it. Motherfucker better than before. Shit.